We got kills, 6 kills in a row. What is this? Hey, what's up, what's down, guys? It is Moneynis once again, and today we are going to be playing a little bit of Domination Hackney Yard Modern Warfare. And right now we are going to be using probably one of the weirdest looking weapons right now. I'll probably make it look even weirder in the future, but so far this is as weird as it gets right now. You know what, let's go with the collapsible stock. Let's try that out. You know what, I really want to try putting a sniper scope on this thing, but there just can't be one. Oh, maybe there can be, but it won't look like a sniper. Yeah, I think let's try that. So we're going to get rid of that. We're going to have this huge scope on this weapon, and we're just going to see how good will this thing do. So this is a 4X. I'm contemplating using the thermal, but it won't look as good. So here we go. This is going to be the weirdest weapon so far. And yeah, let's go and see how this thing works. It's going to be like our compact sniper here. Let's go. So what does the stock even have for anyway? What's the stock do to it? Just more movement speed and aimed outside speed. Let's see how this thing works. A little bit slow, but I think this thing will do. Okay, so I think the only idiots. Like, who does this? I don't understand. I think the only use of this gun would be just to be suppressive fire. I don't see this thing being offensive. And look at the recoil, you just can't control this. This actually might be one of the worst guns I've ever made. Okay, but we can at least try to get a kill with this loadout. I don't think we could... Oh, we got a kill. Alright, let's go. Oh, what? Whoa. You know, if it's a sniper, let's go semi. Oh, we can't go semi. Dang it. Dang it. Let him. Why can't I throw these things around? Let him come to us. Yes, I got 2 kills with this. It's the weirdest gun ever. There it goes. Wait for him to come back, and I die.
Enemy at center.
Okay, got a hit on him. And an assist. I knew it. He'll come back. We'll disable him. Got 2 kills. Alright, now that's crazy. And they're probably like going, who is this guy? Like, what is this? I don't know who makes this, but this is the weirdest gun so far. We need more ammo. No, you don't. There we go. Reload. Fire. Here he comes. Yes! Got more. So he's gonna come up around here. Wait for it. Okay, so if we crouch or prone, we should be able to hit him. And it works! Oh, good. Bad idea. That's a better idea. Oh, what was that? Okay, so he went down there, so that means he should come back up to the top, so... Or not. Oh, there he is. Okay, we'll wait for our buddy to get him. We're gonna look for someone else. Oh, stupid! Why did I get that far? And why is he still there? Whoa! What? The idiots. Like, who's camping at B? These guys. Booyah. What? I mean, I saw that other guy, so wait for him to throw his grenade. Oh, who knows thermite is that? And why isn't anybody killing this guy? Chill! Yes! We kill. This gun's just ridiculous from the start. Or from its conception, this gun's just ridiculous. But we lose anyway because of ridiculous weapons. 10 kills, okay. Okay, so this is going to be a great idea. Let's take one of the weirdest weapons ever and put it in one of the worst maps ever. Piccadilly! Also in kill confirmed, so I don't really have to move anywhere unless my team gets the dog tags. So this could be good for this weapon. Let's try to figure out what is the perfect use of this weapon. I mean, it is a sniper.
Hunt down the enemy and
What the world? You can't even see these guys. I mean, look at this. Who are these guys like sprinting all over this place? Let's finish him. Okay, I guess we're gonna go like this. Hey, they actually got me. To an extent. Bad ideas go a long way. Give me some of that. Bad ideas go a long way. Still can't hit him. I mean, it is possible. I just don't know how to work this big scope. And we're two in the open. He's out there somewhere. I'm just gonna ignore him. Maybe I should have never known him. Dang it.
Enemy in your main street.
we're in the lead.
Aw, this mess. I mean, this map's such a mess. Okay, we got 2 hits on one guy. We got no kills yet.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, hey, what the? No, we can't get these kills. Yeah, I can't get these kills. They keep taking them. And I keep missing. We're gonna run out of bullets before we're done here. Or if someone kills us and I can't see them because they're in a hole.
Enemy at the buses.
Enemy cruise missile is
Guess who's gonna hit? Just guess. Well, that was a close one. We throw a thermite in the room with him. If it'll ever touch him. Nope, didn't get that kill. I mean, like, of course. Finally got a kill. And we confirmed it. It's kill deny. Where's my kill deny?
Reloading.
Stupid. Oh my gosh, who is this? I don't understand anymore. First we invented this gun, and now we're playing on Piccadilly. So something's gotta be up. Seriously? Like, who is this guy? He's supposed to... there's no teamwork in this. I mean, we have to. Yes, we did it. We got a kill. No, there's not. Oh, well, that's great. It's magnificent. I saw him for a second. Throw this down, throw it down, throw it down. It's too late. Here it comes. Idiots Incorporated, let's go.
Allied cluster strike inbound.
Yes! Now we're getting kills. Oh, he's at the bus. I I just looked there for a second, man.
Kill confirmed.
We got kills, 6 kills in a row. What is this? No, they're not.
30 seconds. Time's up.
7 kill streak.
Move.
Oh, we're trapped here.
UAV overhead.
The 8th kill streak. You're getting killed by a ridiculous gun, man. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Well done.
Oh no, 10 kills. Dang it. I want to see how many times we died. That'll be very interesting. Six times. Oh my gosh, it's just like the last game. What the world? Okay, so that is going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and do all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one when we finally get a real sniper scope. I mean, we're so close. Just look at this. Isn't this a cool idea? Maybe if we get a shorter barrel, that would be even cooler. But yeah, that's for the next time. As always, have a great day, and goodbye.